that you guys can hear me over the AC because it is hot. Okay, hot. So I'm getting up early because I have to get a Father's Day gift for my friend. He is a father, so I have to make sure to get him something really quickly. He has to go pick up his daughter, so I'm going to Lowe's. I kind of have an idea of what I'm getting him. He's been talking about this plant for like the longest, so I think I'm just gonna go get him maybe like a plant, either one big plant or two medium-sized plants. I'm not really sure as of yet because so I don't know, so many there's so many different types of plants, and this is like kind of like his first one, so I feel like let's start off small and then make our way to something bigger, right? So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a plant, then we're gonna go to Dollar Tree or Walmart, go get a card and get us a bag and make it real cute and kind of be done with it. You with me? But I'm saying happy Father's Day too to the women that are playing the mother and father role. So you guys do not go unmissed. Okay, I want to make sure to put it out there. You doing a good job, bitch. You doing a good job, bitch. You doing a good job. Okay.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change? To your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you?
Good afternoon, y'all. I was gonna say morning, but it is no longer morning. I've been running errands all morning. Let me not say errands. I had to, put my big girl panties on and go get me a little side job or whatever. So I had to go do some paperwork and a drug test real quick so that I could do something like overnight or something at nighttime, because I'm really starting to take this YouTube thing serious, and I'm really starting to lay off of Instagram just a little bit. Like, I'm gonna post on Instagram, but I'm gonna try to minimalize Instagram just a little bit and do more focusing on YouTube. So I've noticed I am a lot more comfortable speaking on camera than just continue to take pictures of myself. Like, I don't mind taking pictures of myself, but you know, when it comes to my money, like literally having to take pictures, different outfits and all those type of things, it's kind of like, you know, it's burning a hole in my pocket. And you know, I am a full-time makeup artist now, and right now the month of June is very it is very slow right now. So it's not very slow, let me not say that. It's not very slow, it's just slower than what I'm used to, let's say that. Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday. I want to say Wednesday. So I'm gonna try this new place. It's called Fries Above the Rest. Fries Above the Rest, that's what it is. And it's kind of like the whole meal is pretty much fries, but they put like a whole bunch of other different stuff on top of it. Pretty much like they put a Philly cheesesteak on top of fries, they put tacos on top of fries. It's kind of like, instead of the bread on a Philly cheesesteak, they use fries. And like if they like if it's tacos, instead of the shell is fries. Like, I want to try it for some reason. And I know I look weird because I'm on a hill and I'm like low-key leaning or whatever, so I really want to try it, to really be honest. It looked like it's lit though, but it's in Atlanta. It is off of How Mill Road. If you're from Atlanta or if you live in Atlanta, you'll know where How Mill Road is. It's like 5 minutes away from IKEA. Okay, y'all, so that's pretty much what it looked like. I didn't get any meat this time, but I just want to be on the safe side, so let's see. It's pretty good. Like, it's actually really good. I really can't wait to see or try like other things, like the Philly cheesesteak one. I think I actually want to try that. I'm just a little iffy with people's meat when I first, you know, get there. The only thing they forgot was my ranch, because I wanted ranch. I wanted ranch dipping sauce. That's the only thing they forgot, but it was really good. It just would have made it taste really like buffalo wings if I had to, not ranch, blue cheese. Because this is my favorite one, right? This is my favorite one, but for some reason it doesn't come in this. I don't understand why. Like, come on, Dove, why don't y'all put this scent in that big one? Like, I'm tired of coming here getting this small container. Like, come on, zip this up a little bit. I'm trying to figure out why they don't put the lavender in the big container. Like, I just don't understand why. Like, Dove, get it together, okay? I hate having to come in here and keep spending $6 on this thing when I could get the bigger one for $10, which would last me 10 times longer. Like, come on now. Let's get it together, okay? I'm so tired of that. Y'all don't even understand, okay, how much it irks my nerves, okay?